In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to Instagram. We will walk through each tap together so your accounts link correctly and your messages can sync across both apps. Open Instagram on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you are using the official Instagram app from Meta, not a browser. When the app opens, you should see your usual Instagram feed with posts from people you follow, plus the navigation bar along the bottom of the screen. Now tap your profile picture. This is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, Instagram switches to your profile page. Here you should see your profile photo at the top, your bio, your post grid, and the buttons to edit your profile and view saved content. If you manage more than one account, double check that you are on the Instagram account you actually want to connect. Next, tap Menu. This looks like three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile screen. When you tap it, a side panel or full screen menu appears. You will see options like Settings and Privacy, Archive, Your Activity, and other tools. If the menu slides up from the bottom, that is fine. Instagram just displays it slightly differently on some phones. From here, tap Account Center. This option usually appears near the bottom of the menu. When you select it, Instagram opens the Meta Account Center screen. Here you will see a Meta logo and sections for accounts, profiles, and connected experiences. Account Center is where Meta lets you control things that link Instagram, Facebook, and sometimes Messenger in one place, so any changes here can affect multiple apps at once. Once you are in Account Center, tap Profiles. This section shows all the profiles that are currently linked to your Meta account. You should at least see your Instagram profile listed. If you already linked another Facebook profile in the past, it will show here too. Viewing this list helps you confirm exactly which accounts are already connected before you add a new one. Next, tap Add Accounts. This button is usually underneath the list of existing profiles. After you tap it, Meta will show you options for what kind of account you want to add. The screen might briefly load as it checks which apps are installed on your phone and which logins it can detect. Now select Add Facebook Account. Tapping this tells Meta you want to bring a Facebook profile into this same account center. In many cases, if the Facebook app is installed and already logged in, your usual Facebook profile name may appear on screen so you can pick it quickly. If it does not log in automatically, log into your Facebook account. Enter your email address or phone number and your Facebook password, then tap the Login button. Once the details are correct, Facebook will briefly load and then return you to the Meta Account Center flow with your Facebook profile detected and ready to link. After that, tap Continue. This moves you forward to the confirmation stage. On the next screen, Meta will outline what connecting these accounts does, such as shared login management and messaging connections between Instagram and Facebook Messenger. Finally, confirm the accounts you want to connect. You will see your Instagram profile and your Facebook profile listed together on this screen. Make sure these are the exact accounts you want to link, then approve the connection. Once you confirm, Meta links them immediately and your messaging features can now work together between Instagram and Facebook Messenger. You have now connected your Facebook and Instagram accounts in Meta Account Center, so Messenger and Instagram can work together more smoothly. If this helped you link your messaging, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Meta guides.